Unleashing the power of castor oil, unlocking its hidden benefits. Castor oil, a well-known natural remedy, has gained popularity across various cultures for its incredible health benefits. This multipurpose oil can be used on the face, hair, and skin, with some even recommending its use before bedtime. But does castor oil truly live up to the hype? In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the truth behind its effects. From its potential as a laxative to its moisturizing properties and surprising benefits for denture maintenance and sleep disorders, we will explore the remarkable versatility of castor oil. Castor oil, a natural laxative. Are you experiencing occasional constipation or struggling with bowel movements? Castor oil could be your go-to solution. This natural oil acts as a stimulative laxative, increasing muscle movement in the intestines, thereby aiding in the clearance of bowels. Approved by professionals for its laxative properties, castor oil is commonly used to alleviate temporary constipation and as a preparatory measure before medical procedures. Research has shown the efficacy of castor oil in reducing constipation symptoms and facilitating smoother bowel movements, making it a valuable option for those in need. Castor oil, a natural moisturizer. Are you tired of dry skin despite using various creams and lotions that seem to offer only temporary relief? Castor oil can become your best friend in the battle against dryness. Rich in ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid, castor oil effectively moisturizes the skin by preventing water loss from the outer skin layer. Unlike commercial moisturizing products that may contain potentially harmful ingredients, directly applying castor oil on your skin can deliver natural hydration while minimizing the risk of irritation. For optimal results, consider mixing castor oil with other skin-friendly oils, such as coconut or almond oil, to create a deeply hydrating moisturizer. Castor oil, a wound healer. Did you know that castor oil possesses wound healing properties? While it cannot miraculously heal major injuries, it can assist in the healing process of minor wounds. When applied properly, castor oil creates a moist environment around the wound, preventing it from drying out. Vinilex, an ointment that combines castor oil with Peru balsam, is commonly recommended by doctors for the treatment of burns, skin ulcers, and surgical wounds. The anti-inflammatory effects of castor oil, primarily due to ricinoleic acid, aid in reducing pain and inflammation during wound healing. However, it's crucial to consult your doctor before applying any castor oil-based ointments to ensure suitability for your specific wound. Castor oil, a denture protector. If you or your family members use dentures, you understand the importance of proper cleaning and storage. Castor oil can play a significant role in maintaining dentures, preventing bacterial and fungal growth that commonly occurs without adequate care. Candida fungi, in particular, pose a problem for denture wearers, leading to an infection known as denture stomatitis. Studies have shown that soaking dentures in a 10% castor oil solution effectively reduces fungi and bacteria. Mouthwash containing castor oil has also demonstrated remarkable improvements in individuals with stomatitis related to denture use. By incorporating castor oil into your denture care routine, you can minimize candida-related infections and ensure the longevity of your dentures. Castor oil, a natural aid for insomnia. Insomnia, a prevalent sleep disorder, affects numerous individuals, leaving them unable to fall asleep easily or maintain restful sleep throughout the night. Relying solely on medication can lead to potential abuse and addiction. Castor oil offers a natural alternative to combat insomnia and promote better sleep. Applying a small amount of castor oil to your eyelids before bedtime can induce relaxation and improve your ability to fall asleep. Alternatively, you can explore aromatherapy by using essential oils such as peppermint, lavender, or damask rose, in combination with castor oil as a carrier oil. Massaging this blend onto your temples can enhance relaxation and create a conducive environment for a good night's sleep. Conclusion: castor oil's remarkable benefits extend beyond its popular use in beauty products. From its effectiveness as a natural laxative and moisturizer to its surprising applications in wound healing, denture maintenance, and sleep improvement, castor oil offers a wide range of therapeutic properties. However, it is essential to exercise caution and perform patch tests before using castor oil, as allergic reactions may occur in some individuals. By harnessing the potential of castor oil, you can unlock the natural wonders of this versatile oil and incorporate it into your daily routines, reaping its numerous benefits along the way. Did you like the video? Help us bring more content by subscribing and liking our videos. See you next time.